Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing the chat export so Gmail can receive it. On your phone, make sure WhatsApp backup is up to date and your device has at least 50% battery. Open the chat you want, tap More or the three dots, then export chat and decide with media or without media. Media increases file size. Once done, use the share sheet and pick Gmail or save the exported TXT and attachments to files if Gmail isn't listed. This creates the package you'll attach to an email. Now you move into Gmail to prepare the message. Open the Gmail app, tap Compose, and enter the recipient and a concise subject that includes the chat name and date range for quick reference. Tap the Attach icon, choose Attach File, and navigate to the exported TXT and any media you saved. If you shared directly from WhatsApp, the files might already be attached. Make sure total attachment size is under Gmail limits. If it's too large, use Google Drive and insert drive links. Finish by sending and confirming the email delivery, and then verify the attachments open on the recipient side. If the files exceed Gmail's attachment limit, upload them to Google Drive and insert the drive link with viewer permissions before sending. If messages or media are missing, reopen WhatsApp and re-export the chat. Try without media to get the TXT first, then export media separately. If problems persist, ensure your WhatsApp backup restored properly and try exporting on the other device or via WhatsApp web.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.